Hello. In this video demonstration, we'll show you how you can make the most of your WebDriver test set by enhancing it with Silk Test. Using Silk Test in combination with Selenium WebDriver presents the following advantages. Add logging and resulting capabilities to your test executions. Involve team members without programming knowledge in your testing processes. Replay test scripts on Android and iOS. Test without other third-party tools. Simply install Silk Test and start testing. Create fast, readable, and maintainable test scripts without wait statements, using the advanced Silk Test synchronization mechanisms. Record actions in the current version of your favorite browser. For example, generate results during execution for a script based on Selenium 3 and Python. Open the script, create a remote WebDriver, and connect it to the Silk Test Selenium server. Specify options through capabilities, including which browser to use and whether screenshots should be captured automatically. Execute the script. The result file is generated in the location that we have specified. You can now explore the results. Business users can easily contribute to testing by adding keyword-driven tests. Other team members can then use the Silk Recorder to implement the keywords. Replay the keyword-driven test, then explore the results. And that concludes the demonstration. For more information on Silk Test, follow the links at the end of the video or in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.